we possibly know about love? They say that all we have is temporary, it's never gonna last, and only outside looking. That's why they can't see any other chemistry in between you and me. But I don't really care what the people say. They try to come between us, they'll never take away this love we got, this love we got. Nothing can break up this love we got, this love we got, this love we got. Nothing can break up this love we got. So many different ways. So come